Alright, hi traders. Today is 20th of February 2020. We are on live day trading crude oil market April contract 2020. At this moment, we did receive a buy stop limit order signal from my live Telegram channel, which is indicate that we will go for a long position for a quick scalp of 16 targeted to be at 16 ticks. So let's wait and see. Hopefully everything will go smoothly. This moment. A few seconds ago I did send out some things similar signal, but unfortunately it was too early. 30 seconds or 40 seconds too early, so I have to cancel it. It was too quick to send out this signal, about 40 seconds, something like that, too early. So I resend again. So we have to requeue at 54.22 and exit at 54.34 with the second TP target at 54.41. So this will be a day trade strategy from my Epic signal, Epic trade strategy. So there's a link below in description. Feel free to click on it. So at this moment we are waiting for the market to get filled. So let's take a look for a while on the volume. So there's not much interesting volume from the lower side, and yep, there's a high volume at 54.24, 54.40, okay, which is near to our exit. 54.50 is the typical market Q on the rounded number. So price now is 54.09. So let's wait and see. Hopefully everything will go fine. Okay, while waiting, I hope this will have a good trade for today, because yesterday was a good trade, a day before was also a good trade. So we have 3 days in the row winning streak from our day trade strategy Epic signal for US session. And there's you can go to the description below to check the link. And also for this trade today, we can see there's quite a looks like a sideways move during a London session. It's not very interesting, not really interesting since early this morning. So now it just a breakthrough the today's high, and I'm expecting for a quick bullish on the market, although I will queue a lot of bearish kind of movement. But for day trade scalping US session, so we will take as quick as possible and exit the market as quick as possible. Okay guys, we did enter a new candle now. This is time frame 10 minutes, and this moment we are nearing our TP targeted. Bukan, not TP targeted, I mean the entry targeted, which is at 51.21 or 54.22 or 54.20. So I did choose to send out the signal at 54.22, much more safer. But for me, I'm queuing at 54.21 for some extra. So while waiting, we'll pause this video and resume later on once we got a good fit for this match. Okay, we are nearing to the entry level any moment from now, so let's be patient. So let's take a look, a short look on the volume. There's a high volume at 54.24, and the rest is 54.35, 54.40. Alright, so let's wait patiently. Right, as you all seen, the order already filled, so we're still waiting for the market to go to the upper side. So hopefully everything's okay. Let's do it. Alright traders, we resume back again. I'm so sleepy at this moment. Okay, we are reaching back to the entry level. So the current profit is for minus 4 ticks, which is minus 40 US dollar. Still waiting. So it won't take long till reach the TP targeted area, which is this yellow line over here. So this is our price limit for stop loss. Alright traders, we resume back again. So I was away. I'm not able to record it live, but in this video I show you where did I enter the entry. So the blue triangle here is at 54.21. This is my entry based from my live Telegram channel. Okay, you can see down there. Okay, 54.22 and exit 54.38. Alright, so here I exit the blue can and the yellow line hit the TP area at 54.38. So my entry for this one is 21. So from there you can see a solid 17 ticks profit. So it was a good 170 US dollar day trade salary for today, and we did hit the TP, and it was a good one. Let's say I also mention just for a quick one, maybe not a quick fast one under epic trade, but just right. Okay, so we managed to exit the position 170. I think that's all. By the way, there's a link below in the description, feel free to click on it. So overall for today 170, although here is 330 because there's another trade I took after the inventory news. Hold on a second. Okay, and the trade for US session is this one. Okay, 170. So it was a good one, and only I didn't record it live because I was away doing something else. And we have a 4 days winning streak this week, so let's keep it that way. Maybe tomorrow we will not trade, depends. By the way, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.